So hello guys, I'm here with new video that is about the job vacancy in ChatGPT. If you are interested in ChatGPT job vacancy, so simply you have to click and follow the instructions which I am showing in this video. Don't skip this video and watch this video completely so you can get how to apply and how to get job in ChatGPT using ChatGPT official website. Before going ahead, there is notification one notice that is no one demand money for you for this job from you, not my channel, even not chat gpt wants any single penny from you from to get this job. If you want to get this job, so simply follow the step. And before going ahead, there's one request to you. If you are first time watching this video, and if you are first time on this channel, there's one request that follow my subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you can get all the notification as prior. And like this video. If you like this video, complete click on like button. If you dislike don't like this video, click on dislike button. Share this video. If you like this video, then only share this video with your friends so that they can get job and they can get knowledge how to apply for this job in chat gpt. And if you like this video, please comment. If you have any problem regarding job vacancy or anything, or simply your name, that I can come to know that you have watched my video. And if you've done this, then come on to your web browser, and open Google. Here does not need to open Google if you know the website. But if you don't know the website URL, then you have to click on Google and write chat gpt. After writing chat gpt, there is there are many results here, like openai.com blog chat gpt. You have to click on this website. And if you are on right website, then your interface will be like this. If you are not, if your website if your phone interface is not like this, then you have to go back and confirm that you have clicked on right URL. After that, scroll down at bottom. Okay. And here you will see the information button, and in information button, in the last you will see career button. Click on career button, and here you will get join us in shape. Like I can select this that you can see able to see it. Okay. And here you can see view open positions. This button will forward you to new page, and there you will see many job vacancy in chat gpt. Okay. And here many roles are available so that you can apply and get many jobs in different types, in different positions and different designation in chat gpt. Roles across multiple teams, and all the jobs are regarding in the location of San Francisco headquarter, HQ. I don't know meaning of HQ, but San Francisco. Okay. And there is the first job, that is research engineer, research scientist. Second is alignment, that is in software engineer and full stack. Third one is applied AI engineering, software engineering, billing and monetization. And second job is in software engineer and interface. You can check all the job by scrolling your web browser. If any title attracts you, or you think that you are able to get job in this title, or this designation, then you have to simply click on the title. Like I can click on first job, that is research engineer. If I think that I can able to apply in research engineer. Okay. And after that you can check out the job description so that you can able to know which type of people they are demanding. If you fulfill are eligible for this job, then simply don't worry and click on apply button. Okay. But read all the instructions carefully. Okay. And after clicking on apply button, you will get on new web page. Okay. Here you have to fill nothing but your personal information. Okay. And you have to upload your CV, like first name, last name, email, phone number. Okay. And here you have to attach your CV, that is from the Dropbox, either from the Google Drive, or you can enter manually. Okay. If you upload your CV, then all of the instructions, all of the columns here automatically filled from the your CV. Okay, after applying this, all and answering all the simple question, okay, you will come to know that here is the submit button. After clicking on submit button, they will message you, the pop-up will come that your application is submitted, and after 2 to 5 minutes you will get a mail which I am going to show you in my Gmail. Okay, I have already applied for this job. I am from India, but I am interested to know that how can we apply so that I can make video to for you all. Okay, here here is my mail that come from the chat gpt, that is you can see open ai, which I already saw during the url. You can match that you will get the same message, same email. Okay, that here you will see that written, hi Pius, that is my name, and Ars Technica is my channel name, ARSTECHNIKA. Okay, you can also search this on YouTube and subscribe my channel. That you will get that thank you for applying to OpenAI. Your application has been received, and our recruiting team will review it for the role you applied to, along with any similar roles we have open. If we find a match, we will reach you out to discuss the next steps. Okay, yani ki if they find that I am eligible for that post which I have applied, or any post that they have, and for that job I am eligible, they will contact me and discuss the next steps. But they will never ask any money. You have to take this in your mind. If anybody will you meet and they will ask money from you, then keep distance from that person. Okay, and after that, in the meantime, we will invite you to learn more about the hiring philosophy and the interview process here. And here you will get a link from which you can come to know how the interview process will go, which type of question they are asking, and many more. Okay, hope you all like this video, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and like this video, share this video with your friend, and hope you all are good at your home. So stay healthy, stay strong. Thank you.